I will check your error, right? After the class is over, I will check your error. Okay. Why interest is not calculated in your case, I will check and I will let you know the reason.
Sir, I have some doubts. Should I ask now or after the class?
Yeah, I will, at the end of the class, you can ask. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Just to give me 2 minutes. I will be back in 2 minutes. Yes, I am back. Yeah, Jyotish, right? So actually, I have not gone to your mail. Yesterday I was too much busy, so I did not go to the details of your mail, right? Today I will check your mail and I will answer your mail. See, today the topic is reversals. The reversal function is used to reverse the error documents. So sometimes, right, the user may post the wrong entries. So in case of SAP, when we post any wrong entries, you cannot delete. If you post a document, you cannot delete from the database, right? So you can only rectify. Let us take one example. See, today we paid salaries. Salaries 50,000. So the entry to be posted is debit salaries account 50,000, credit bank account 50,000. Okay, but by mistake, the user posted as follows. He has debited rent account, $50,000, credit bank account 50,000. So this is the wrong entry, right? He has posted. So to rectify the above entry, we have two options. Number one, we can post one rectification entry like debit salaries account 50,000, credit rent account 50,000. Till now, this is clear for everybody. So we can post one rectification entry wherein we can debit the salaries account and credit rent account. So in the wrong entry, right, rent account is debited, again it is credited. So the balance becomes zero. Ultimately, salaries account is debited and bank account is credited. So this is one way of rectification, right? Second option. What is the second option? First, we can reverse the wrong entry. Like debit bank account 50,000, credit rent account 50,000. So here you have posted wrong entry, right? So in that case, first we can reverse the wrong entry. So bank account is debited, rent account is credited. Then bank balance becomes zero, rent account balance becomes zero. Then we can post the correct entry again. Like debit salaries account 50,000, credit bank account 50,000. See, here, first we can, the second option I'm talking. Second option, first we can reverse the wrong entry. Then the effect of the wrong entry will be nullified. After that, we can post correct entry like salaries of conductor to bank. So which option we use? What is the impact if you use the first option? If you post the rectification entry, right? Salaries of conductor rent, what will happen? See, in the salaries account, right? Both sides are increased by amount of the wrong entry. In the salaries account, both sides are increased by amount of the wrong entry. But if you follow the second option, means if you reverse the wrong entry, then what happens? The system will keep the totals of the account unchanged by posting the rectification on the same side instead of posting it on opposite side. So if you use the reversal function, the system will not change the totals. But if you post the rectification entry, the system will increase the debit side and credit side of the GL account by the amount of the wrong entry. That's why normally we follow this, right? So for that purpose, we can use the reversals. But in SAP, there are 5 types of reversals. Number 1, individual reversal. This function is used to reverse a single document only at a time. When the document is reversed, the system reverses the posting keys only, and a document can be reversed only once. These 2 points I will explain you at the time of reversing the documents. Then reverse of reversal. This function is used to reverse a document which was already reversed. Then mass reversal. This function is used to reverse a group of documents at a time. Then number 4, accrual and deferred document reversals. This function is used to reverse the accrual and deferred documents posted on the last day of the month. See, this accrual and deferred document reversal, we have the separate topic, right? At that time, I will explain you this 4th type of reversal. Then cleared item reversals. This function is used to reset the open items which were cleared. This 5th type of reversal, I will explain you in the accounts payable. Then at this point of time, I am going to show you the first 3 types of reversals. Then At the time of reversing the documents, the user can give the date on which the reverse document is to be posted. If the user does not give any date, the system posts the reverse document as on the posting date of original document. Then, while reversing the document, the user has to specify the reversal reason. Remember, user has to specify. It is mandatory to specify the reversal reason because today, due to some reason, right, we are reversing the document. So after 10 days, you are displaying the reversal document. In that case, the user may want to know what is the reason for which we have reversed this document previously. That's why at the time of reversing the document itself, right, the user has to give the reversal reason. Already some reversal reasons were defined in the system. And if necessary, we can define our own reversal reasons also. How to define our own reversal reasons, I will show you in the next topic. First, we will see individual reversal, FB08. Document number is equal to 3. Company code SSKH. So I am reversing document number 3. Company code SSKH. Fiscal year 2022. Look at the scheme. Reversal reason. Reversal reason is a mandatory field, right? So if you press on F4, you can see that 51 entries found. Means 51 reversal reasons have been defined in the system. Here, up to 07 are the system-defined reversal reasons. And other reasons have been created by other students from other batches, right? Say, for example, for the time being, I am using the reason 07. Incorrect document date. Reversal reason is equal to 07. Within brackets, incorrect document date. Now, look at this game, posting date. If you enter the posting date today, in India today is 19th January 2023. So if you enter the date today, right, 19/1/2023, the system will post the reverse document on this date. Suppose if you don't enter any date, then the system will post the reverse document on the posting date of this document number 3. So here I am not giving the posting date, right? Now, click on display before reversal button to display the document before reversal. As a precautionary measure, I want to verify what is this document number 3 before reversal, right? In that case, click on display before reversal. See, the document that is going to be reversed is wages account data to cash. Wages account data to cash. So here, wages account is posting key 40, right? Cash account is posting key 50. And the wages account line item number is 1 and the cash account line item number is 2. So I told you one point here. When the document is reversed, the system reverses the posting keys only. That means the system, right, will keep the order of the line items as it is, but it reverses the posting keys. Means for wages, it will give the posting key 50. For cash account line item, it gives the posting key 50. That's what I will show you once we reverse. So by clicking on display before reversal, we can display the document. Observe the document before reversal. Click on back arrow. Click on save. See, document 24 was posted in the company code SSKH. Go to FB03 to display the reverse document. So if you go to FB03, the system takes the latest document number posted. So document number 24, company code SSKH, fiscal year 2022. Click on enter. See, wages account line item number is 1 only, but the posting key 50. Means wages account was credited. Cash account is line item number 2 only, but posting key 40. Cash account is debited. So entry is cash account data to wages. That is the reverse document. Yeah, it can be the next month also, but you have to give the next month date. And you see here, document date and posting date, 30th 12, 2022. So this is the posting date of document number 3. See, if you go to FB03, document number 3. Document number 3 posting date is 30th 12, 2022. So reverse document posting date is also 30th 12, 2020, because we did not give the posting date. Now, here, just now we have reverse document number 3 and the reverse document number is 24. Now, I want to know, see, first of all, how do you know this document number 24 is a reverse document? If you have the accounting knowledge, if you look at this document, normally expenses are always debited, right? But if you see that wages account is credited, okay, you can assume this document might have been reversed, but I don't have the accounting knowledge. Then how do I know this is a reverse document? Everybody is able to understand my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for that, if you click on this document header, see document type AB, accounting document, reverse document. Right now, document type AB represents the reverse document. Document type AB represents the reverse document. Now, again, you can see in the document other details, right? See, reverse document number 3. So the document 3 was reversed with document number 24, right? Then what is the reversal reason? 07. So you can see all these details in the document header. Okay. Now, you know, reversal document is 3. But what is this reversal document 3? If you click on this reversal document, it will show you the parent document. See, document number 3 is wages account to cash. Wages posting key 40, cash posting key 50. So if you click on the reversal document, we can see the parent document. Now, here, document type AB represents reverse document. How can you say that? See, GL document type is what? What is the GL document type?
SA.
SCA, right? So, OBS 7. Go to OBS 7. Click on position. Document type SCA. Click on details button. See, reverse document type AB. Right down there. For every document type, we can specify the reverse document type. For every document type, we can specify the reverse document type in OBS 7. For every document type, we can specify the reverse document type. If we don't specify the reverse document type, if we don't specify the reverse document type, for any document type, the system will post the reverse document. The system will post the reverse document. The system will post the reverse document with the same document type. With the same document type. Look at the screen. Here we have reversed the document type SA. So for the document type SA, reverse document type is AB. That's why the reverse document is posted with AB. Suppose if you don't enter anything here and you keep this field blank, in that case, the system will post the reverse document also with the same document type SA. In that case, you cannot differentiate. Normally, we use the AB document type as the reverse document type. Clear? So this is individual document reversal. Then reverse of reversal. Normally, we use this functionality in one scenario. Say, for example, actually, the user has to reverse document number 2. But by mistake, the user has reversed document number 3. The user has reversed document number 3. In that case, first he has to re-reverse the reversed document of document number 3. Again, he has to reverse document number 2. That is the case where we use the reverse of reversal. You can go to the transaction code F-02 only. Yeah, Abhishek, tell me.
Yeah, so just a question is that for AB document type, we did not, define any number range.
Good question. Yeah. See, very good question. Look at the screen. We have defined the number ranges for document type SA, right? For SA document type, number range number is 01, right? So for the number range number 01, right? We have defined the number ranges, right? Similarly, if you go to the document type AB, see accounting document, number range number is also 01. So for the number range number 01, we have linked the number range values 1 to 1 lakh, right? So this number range number 01 was assigned in both SA type and AB type. So for AB also, system has taken the number from that number range only. Clear, Abhishek?
Yeah, it's clear now.
Now, reverse of reversal. Transaction code F-02. Go to menu document, post with the reference. Direct transaction code also you can write. FBR2. Direct transaction code FBR2. Yes, it is a system defined ARHA. Direct transaction code.
Instead of AB, we can give other doc type also, right?
Yes, definitely. Yes.
Like ZA, and we can give number range also, right?
Yes.
Okay.
These are all system default settings. For example, you don't want to use AB, right? For document type SA, I don't want to use the reverse document type AB. You can specify something else. And with different numbers also.
Okay.
So go to menu document. Post with reference. Document number is equal to 24. Company code SSKH. Okay, all these things are not required. Just give the document number to be reversed. Give the document number to be re-reversed. Select generate reverse posting. Select generate reverse posting option. Click on enter. Click on enter. Again enter. You have to click on enter 2 times. Look at the screen. Again, wages account has become 40. Cash account has become 50 again. As usual. Click on save. Document 25 was posted in the company code SSKH. Next, mass reversal. In the mass reversal, we can reverse a group of documents at a time. F.80. Company code is equal to SSKH. Document number 3 to 5. Means I want to reverse document number 3, 4, 5. But already we have reversed document number 3, right? Let us see what happens. Again, I'm trying to reverse the document number 3, which was already reversed. Let us see what happens. Fiscal year 2022. Fiscal year 2022. Reason for reversal 07. Reason for reversal 07. Select test run. Select test run. Click on execute. So the system will display what are the documents that can be reversed and what are the documents that cannot be reversed. For example, here, see, documents that can be reversed, right? Document number 4 and 5, we can reverse. And documents that cannot be reversed. Document number 3. Why? Document was already reversed. That is what I told you in your notes. A document can be reversed only once. Okay. See, select a test run, click on execute. List of documents that can be reversed is displayed. Click on reverse documents. See, document 4 is reversed with document number 26. Document number 5 is reversed with document number 27. Write down one more point. There is no reverse of mass reversal. There is no reverse of mass reversal. So if you want to re-reverse, right, you can do it individual document wise. And here, look at the scheme. Here, we have given the document number sequentially, right? But sometimes I want to reverse a group of documents with random numbers. For example, I want to reverse document number 7, 10, 12, 15. So I want to reverse all these documents at a time. In that case, against the document number, right, you have this more multiple selection string. This is called multiple selection, right? Click on that. Here, document number 7, 10, 12, 15. Then click on enter. Click on execute. Then again, if you click on execute, the system will reverse all these 4 documents. That is one option, right? One more requirement is, I want to reverse document number 1 to 5, 15 to 20 at a time, right? In that case, again, you can click on this multiple selection screen. Then you can click on select ranges. In that case, lower limit 5, upper limit 10, 5 to 10, then 20 to 25. So you can reverse 10 documents at a time. So like that, different functions are available here, right? So this is the mass reversal. Then accrual and deferral document reversal. Accrual and deferral document reversal, right? So this, before starting this, right? Abhishek, tell me what's your doubts?
Yeah, sir, during the time of, sample document posting or recurring document posting, so we are giving, the number range as X2, but in X2, we can see that there is already a number range like 81 or 91. Why we are not using that 81 and 91? Why we are using X2 and X1?
You can use 81, 91 also, no issues.
Okay, we can use
Yeah,
them.
yeah,
Use
yeah,
that.
yes, exactly. So here,
Sir, no, sir. The system was not accepting that. I remember I
no, no,
told you
no,
about
no.
this.
That's why they are called special numbers, right? They are the special documents. Here, the thing is, we have the OBS 7, right? In OBS 7, right, we can define the number ranges for document types, right? If you know the document type. But you don't know the document type, but you know the number range numbers, right? In that case,
Yeah.
we can use FBN number. So normally, for these special documents, we use the number range in X2 and X1 in FBN.
Okay.
That's why they are called special documents. We don't know why they have constructed this function like this.
Okay. So these two document type we will treat as an exception document, right?
Exactly,
This
special
X2.
documents.
Yeah.
Special
Special.
documents.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Anything else?
So if you have time, we will be able to check my doubts, sir. Jyotish, yeah.
Chaman, we will discuss later on this, right? S/4HANA, we will discuss later on. In S/4HANA, transaction code F.10 is obsolete.
Okay.
Right? For that, we can use tables. Already I discussed the tables information. You can display the tables. You can display the GL accounts, account group wise from the tables. Yeah, Jyotish, I will check your doubts today and I will send you the reply mail.
So that needs some application view explanation. That's why I'm asking.
Which one?
No, that has to be no explained in application. So that's why I'm just going into the application.
No, you want me to show it practically?
Yes. That I mean some scenarios, in
I will
that way.
explain in the class. I will explain in the class otherwise. Okay? I cannot show you practically, right? I will explain in the class. First, let me go through your doubts, okay?
Yeah.
Lakshman, one more doubt. I am comparing the FBL1N and FK10N. There is a difference between the special
FBL1N.
FBL1N and FK10N, as you discussed earlier with me regarding the vendor.
No, I did not discuss FBL1N and FK10 until now.
Okay.
They are related to accounts payable.
Yes.
Still, we are in the general ledger accounting only.
Okay.
You want me to explain the difference between FBL3N and FK10N, right?
Yes.
See, in 2 words, just I will explain for your understanding. Others forget about it. We will discuss later on. In FK10N, right, you can display the balance at a stroke. Okay. But in FBL1N, you can display the open items for the vendor, cleared items for the vendor, special GL operators for the vendor, noted items for the vendor. Right?
Right.
So that is the difference.
Okay, but if in a FK10N there is a cumulative balance, it should be an open item for that month. So it should be matched with the FBL1N balance open item from the same date.
It will match. It has to match and it will match.
Okay.
What are the cumulative balance? in FK, what are the cumulative balance in FK10N?
Mhm.
Match with the total balance in FBL3 and open items. Open items, not the cleared items.
Yeah, open item, right.
Yes.
There is a difference, Lakshman, though I will mail you regarding that difference between these.
That is the difference I explained, you know. In FK10N, you can display the balance, right?
Mhm.
In FBL1N, you can display the open items. What are the invoices pending for payment for that vendor?
Okay.
And also you can display cleared items.
Hmm.
Say for example, SSTN vendor, another company code, vendor code, this another batch, right? So as on today, right, for this vendor, what are the invoices pending for payment? There is no any invoices pending for payment. But 402, here also no invoices. Then we have a one-time customer, one-time vendor. See, in this one-time vendor, there is one open item, right?
Right.
So if you go to, so how much is the open item here? 60,000, right? You have to pay 60,000 to this vendor. Then if you go to FK10N, cumulative balance 60,000 only.
Right. But there are some special GL transactions which are not reflected
Special
in this.
GL transactions are separately organized, right? You call me separately. I
Okay.
don't want to discuss this in the class because others may get confused.
Okay,
right?
got it.
Call me separately, I will explain.
Got it.
And if you want to display the special GL transactions, here you have to select the special GL transactions here.
Okay.
And also you have the noted items. You can display noted items from here. All these things we will discuss as part of our course in accounts paper.
Okay.
We have 1 hour class on the special GL transactions.
Okay, got it.
Because in accounts payable, special GL transactions only the topic which is very confusing. Entry wise also I will explain you how it affects where, right? Don't worry.
Okay.
We have a separate 1 hour class on special GL transactions.
Thank you.
So these accrual and deferral documents, time is not enough today. We will discuss tomorrow.